Hi, friends. Welcome. Today we are going to count something super pretty, flowers. Are you ready to count with me? Look, one flower. Can you say one? Two flowers. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Three flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Four flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven flowers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow, that's getting bigger. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 10. Let's say the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10 flowers. Amazing. That's a full bouquet. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.